What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie Chronicle, or if you know me from Instagram, I'm Nata by Design, or if you know me in real life, I'm Natalie, and welcome back. Okay, so the very first installment of this series, we talked about the basics of sewing, sewing 101, sewing for beginners, that sort of stuff. And this week's video was actually supposed to be kind of like more of a sit down, talk to you video about fabric and tools, and I was just like, we're in quarantine, we're all super bored, like we all just want to do something, we all want to create. So instead of doing another sit down video, today we will be making stacked sweatpants. Okay guys, so some of the tools you're going to need for this project are really simple. I tried to choose a project where you could literally get like tools from your room and not have to go to the store or anything like that. So I just chose an old pair of sweatpants and an old like sweatshirt that, or like an old t-shirt kind of sweatshirt that I don't really wear as much anymore. So really this whole project is to be creative, pull things out of your closet, don't go to the store and buy anything. You know, if you have some old like jeggings or something like that that you don't really wear as much, old sweater, jacket, something like that, cut it up and make something new. Look, you have something new and you didn't spend any money. Okay guys, so to make these stacked pants, they're actually pretty simple. My explaining of them isn't that great just because it's like kind of confusing, but I'm gonna do my best, and you have visuals honestly, so you could just ignore my voice if you want to. So I started by cutting off the sleeves to my sweatshirt or your t-shirt, whatever you use. This is how you'll be attaching the sleeves to the pants from the wristbands. So I basically just stuck the sleeve inside of the pants, inside out. Okay, so I'll say that again. Basically, I turned the pants inside out and I stuck the sleeve right side inside of the pants. So this is basically a clip of me showing you guys what the pants would look like after you took them from being inside out. Basically, how the sleeve connects to the bottom of the pants. Okay, so you're just gonna go head over to your sewing machine. We're going to be using a zigzag stitch, so I used the number 4. And what I noticed was it was very bulky. There's a lot of material like trying to go under my sewing machine. So I ended up taking it out and I actually cut off the wristband to the sleeve, and then I just put it back under, and it made things a little bit easier. You can kind of see my sewing machine was sliding a bit as I was sewing, so I was literally trying to hold it in place while also like running the fabric through, and then also, yeah, just keeping it all in one place. So it was a bit harder of it was like a lot of material. So just think about that when you're working with this. It's a lot of material you're trying to like run through the sewing machine. Okay, so to get rid of the extra fabric, you're just gonna wanna go and cut it all off. So after everything's sewn together, go back to your table and cut off the excess fabric, because you don't want it to be bulky underneath where your pants meet your sleeve. And as you can see in this little clip, this is kind of how it looks with the sleeve attached onto the pants. It looks really funny, and my pants are so big, you guys, like they're huge. And I didn't realize like these pants probably would have stacked without me adding an additional like sleeve, because these pants were just so big. I actually got these from Goodwill, so if you do have to go out and get some sweatpants, you can get them from Goodwill. Okay, so now on to adjusting. So the reason they don't look stacked is because they're so big. So I'm basically just going to go around the inseam of the pants, and I'm just going to keep sewing a straight line until the pants fit. I think I took about like, I might have taken like 5 inches off like from the inside of the pants. That's how much bigger they were than I was. And after I did that, honestly I just kept checking, and then I cut off the excess fabric, and that's how you get stacked pants, you guys. I think they actually look really good. A lot of my friends were like hitting me up. They were like, hey, I want a pair, like you gotta make me a pair. And I'm like, you guys, it's the next YouTube video, like you can make these yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I decided for the next week's video, I'm gonna actually be customizing these stacked sweatpants with some like nice jean stuff and things of other like fabric that I find around the apartment that I think will look cute and things like that. So if you guys like that idea, like this video and I'll make that happen. If not, comment below what you do want to see me customize. Comment below if you want to see me make another kind of stacked pants. Maybe if I do jean stacked pants, so you guys can see how that works. So yeah, just comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye, guys.